E-commerce advantages. Unlocking the benefits of e-commerce. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover the incredible advantages of e-commerce. In this video, we'll explore how e-commerce is changing the game for businesses and consumers. So, let's get started. Global reach. E-commerce is like a virtual passport for businesses. It allows them to reach customers worldwide, expanding their market like never before. From small startups to industry giants, e-commerce has enabled businesses to tap into a global customer base, driving exponential growth. Convenience. E-commerce offers the ultimate shopping experience. You can shop at a in your pajamas or from your office during lunch breaks. It's the 24/7 availability, mobile shopping apps, and doorstep delivery that have redefined convenience for consumers. Lower overhead costs. E-commerce isn't just convenient, it's cost-effective too. With no physical storefronts, businesses save on rent, utilities, and other overhead costs. The savings often translate into better pricing and discounts for consumers, making it a win-win. Wider selection. The e-commerce advantage doesn't stop there. Think of the biggest shopping mall you've ever visited, and now think even bigger. E-commerce offers a virtually limitless variety of products, from gadgets to fashion, and it's all at your fingertips. Price comparison. When it comes to finding the best deals, e-commerce gives you the power of price comparison, ensuring you get the most bang for your buck. You can compare prices, read reviews, and make informed choices with just a few clicks. Today's video, you have the incredible advantages of e-commerce. From expanding global reach to unbeatable convenience, lower costs, a vast selection, and easy price comparison, e-commerce is transforming the way we shop and do business. If you found this video enlightening, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful content. And for an even deeper dive into the world of e-commerce, we invite you to watch our previous video. You can find the link right up in the I button above. Thank you for watching.